Several institutions and organizations have adopted a mandatory vaccination policy approach for employees, especially those within the tourism industry. This has added fuel to the fire to the conversation on whether the COVID-19 vaccine should be mandatory, especially so as top Ministry of Health officials have lamented vaccination complacency while strongly admonishing Canadians to get vaccinated. However, President of the Trade Union Council, Senator Andre Lewis, though admitting to the importance of vaccinations in the fight against COVID-19, is calling for dialogue and education, particularly for established workers who enjoy a level of protection.
But at the same time, as it relates to employment rights, any established worker who already have terms and conditions between them and the employer, it ought not to be unilaterally decided by either party to impose the vaccine. And therefore we call for dialogue, we call for persuasion, we call for education, we call for the use of professional healthcare professionals to be able to interact with workers so that they can answer the genuine concerns that workers have. So that's how we want to respond to this.
Senator Lewis also addressed the apparent heavy-handed approach government is using for vaccinations.
It speaks to the attitude of the government. As I say, the government is operating on the basis of arrogance and they can dictate what is happening. But I know that there's a judgment day coming. There's a judgment day coming very soon. And that is why, for us, we will continue our resilience, we'll continue our resistance. Intimidation shall not work. Intimidation shall lead to more resistance. Intimidation shall lead to more protests.
The Ministry of Health's COVID-19 dashboard as of May 2nd reported that Grenada has 1 active imported case and 354 people in quarantine facilities. To date, 12,971 people received the first dose of the vaccine and 3,298 people received the second dose. I am Gerard Joseph for GPN News.